realistically, what are we looking at here?
Yeah, so this is potentially a triple dip La Niña. We had one this year, or one last year and the year before, after the devastating droughts that led to the Black Summer bushfires. And so the outlook is suggesting 70% chance of La Niña by the end of October. The ocean is in step with the atmosphere, and the computer models around the world that look at this stuff, 4 out of 7 are saying, yep, we're going to go by October. So probably another wet spring and early summer.
The first year of La Niña, we didn't really see huge flooding across the country, largely because everything was so dry, the water had somewhere to go. This year has been incredibly wet. What are we likely to see in this summer ahead if the La Niña does form again?
The catchments are full all along the east coast. I don't need to tell you that. There's flooding everywhere. There's so much footage. Tasmania as well is really wet. And I think, you know, the La Niña pattern is going to make these weather conditions to bring rainfall more likely, which probably means more flooding. Obviously, we're as prepared as we can be, but I think we need to hold on for some more wet weather and soggy footage to come.
So this, we're talking climate here rather than weather, right? So it's not like you can pinpoint exactly where we're going to see some big rainfall events.
No, La Niña kind of primes the atmosphere for rainfall to occur. So it means that we've got warmer than normal ocean temperatures off the northeast coast of Australia, and actually we've got them off the northwest coast as well with the Indian Ocean. So the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean are in step, which means even wetter conditions and even a stronger likelihood. I would say even if the Bureau doesn't update their alert to a full official La Niña, it's probably going to be a wetter than average rest of the year.
The question, I think, on many people's lips, especially those anxious in the east, how much of this has got to do with climate change? What role is climate change playing here?
And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And that's the question that Australian climate scientists just keep asking, because La Niña events and El Niño events are so crucial for predicting what's going to happen in Australia. But actually, it's not a done deal. We don't know the answer yet. The computer models are saying one thing and the observations are saying the other. So there might be something going on there where the models aren't capturing what's happening in reality. Maybe there is a stronger chance of more La Niñas in the future, but maybe there's a stronger chance of El Niños. We don't quite know yet. What we do know is that when the atmosphere warms, which it has by over a degree in the last 100 years, there's more water vapour in the atmosphere that's available to fall as rain. We also know that our ocean temperatures are warmer, which also kickstarts that system and makes it a little bit more energetic. So when these weather events that are associated with the climate events do kind of occur, they're going to pack a bit more of a punch.
Any chance of a fourth La Niña?
Yeah, somebody asked me that the other day. It's pretty unusual. Like, we get 2 back-to-back happens a bit, 3 in a row, not that common, 4 in a row. That'll be even bigger news, I would say. Hopefully not.